set up a new project with Docker, go to your terminal and use the following command. Docker run p to map port 4000, v to map the current directory to /cube/conf, e to set the Cube.js dev mode environment variable to true, and finally the image name Cube.js/cube. In a moment, we should see that the server is ready and we can visit the developer playground. When we open the developer playground, we'll now see set up a database connection page. For this example, we're going to use Postgres. Here we're going to set the database credentials. And click apply. We'll now be able to see the tables that are in our database, and we can generate schemas from them. Let's generate one for the orders table. Now that we've generated it, let's check it in the build tab and make a query for orders by status. We can now see a tabular view of the data, and we can also see chart versions of the same data. We can see the JSON query sent to the Cube.js API. We can also see a code example using React and Biz charts. If we go to our editor, we'll see that the schema is available here too. Next steps from here could be to generate more schemas, query the Cube.js REST API directly, or integrate Cube.js with your front-end application using our libraries for Angular, React, and Vue.